Hey y'all, it's Dan for Numerical Line, the name of my YouTube channel, coming at you from a secret, undisclosed location to talk about this secret, undisclosed practice. Until now, it's being exposed, called gematria, this practice of coding numbers into words. Numbers are letters, letters are numbers. The Kabbalists believe in the beginning, God merged the number and the letter and the word when he created the world and everything in it in 7 days. So I saw this story today. Trump replaces Mick Mulvany with Mark Meadows as chief of staff. And the first thing I noticed is the double M here. Mick Mulvany, Mark Meadows. M, the 13th letter of the alphabet. So I thought that was interesting. So I'll read a little bit of the story here. President Donald Trump announced late Friday that he was replacing his acting White House chief of staff, Mick Mulvaney, with Republican Rep. Mark Meadows of North Carolina, a shakeup in the top echelons of the West Wing, just as the president confronts a growing public health crisis and girds for re-election. Meadows, who had previously announced he was leaving Congress, will become Trump's fourth chief of staff in a little more than 3 years in office. In a tweet, Trump did not denote him acting, a designation Mulvaney never graduated from in the turbulent 14 months he spent on the job. So notice how they quote acting. Like these people are acting. These are actors. Also, acting equals 36. This is announced on 3/6, March 6th. So let's go to the decode here. So this happened on the 66th day of the year. March 6th is the 66th day of the year because it is a leap year. And Mark Meadows equals 66. And that's why we're hearing about Mark Meadows today. Even though supposedly the decision was made on Wednesday, but they didn't announce, Thursday, and they didn't announce it till Friday. Replaces, that word replaces equals 137, our old friend. And, we're talking about the White House Chief of Staff, 137 as well. And this 137's relationship to 66 is because 137 is the 33rd prime. You write out 33, it equals 66. Also, 33 plus 33 is 66. So he was born with 156 days left in the year. Mark Mulvaney. No, I'm sorry. I'm mixing up my chief of staffs here. Mark Meadows. So, if you write out 33, it equals 156. Just like I was mentioning, it equals 66 as well. See that? And right now he's 60 years old. Here's Mark Meadows, MM, born in Verdun, France. I thought was interesting. Guy is born in Verdun. And you write out Verdun has a relationship to 33 as well because Verdun equals 33. Interesting that he was born in France. Also, France equals 47, just like the president. Trump equals 47. President, a whole bunch of things equals 47. President 47. Trump 47. White House equals 47. So interesting that he's from France, born in France. So there's a lot more to this. He was born in 59, and he's born with 59 numerology. 7 plus 28 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 is 59. Chief of staff equals 59. Born to be the chief of staff. He was born in Verdun, France. Also 59. He's born with 35 numerology. 7 plus 28 is 35. In the article, they mentioned this decision was actually made on the 5th, or 3/5. Meadows equals 35. Kind of like March 5th. He placed this guy, Mick Mulvany, 149. Notice Mick is 36. Decision made on 3/6. Announced on 3/6. Mulvany 113. Right. 149, the 35th prime, kind of like Meadows. Also, Mark Meadows and Mick Mulvany both equal 175. Francis Bacon is simply you take the capital letter and you add 26 to it. So M, the 13th letter of the alphabet, add 26 to it. So M now equals 39. So double M's here, right? 39, that number of masonry. Also, Mark Randall Meadows equals 68, and he's going to be chief of staff. Chief of staff, 68. Born and bred to be. Replaces equals 47. Trump equals 47, right? Trump doing the replacing. In the White House, 47. From his birthday to this announcement is 7 months and 7 days. Mark Randall Meadows equals 77. He's from North Carolina. Well, he's congressman from North Carolina, 77. He's the 29th chief of staff. I was looking at the list of chief of staffs. Mark Mulvany, if you look at this list, is only the acting chief of staff. He was never actually a real chief of staff. So he would be the 29th chief of staff. And that is significant, obviously, because Mark equals 29. And he was born on the 209th day of the year, July 28th, the 209th day, or 29. And Meadows equals 109, which is the 29th prime number. And remember, he's from France. France equals 29. Appointed by Trump, 29. So that's why that's significant. The 29th chief of staff. More news by the numbers. He's also got a book. I thought this was funny. Promises Kept, How Trump Conservatives Keep Winning in Spite of It All, which is due to be released on February 9th, or 2/9. That's pretty funny, huh? And the whole quote that Trump had, I am pleased to announce that Congressman Mark Meadows will become White House Chief of Staff. I have long known and worked with Mark, and the relationship is a very good one, he says. And that equals 728. 728 happens to be Mark Meadows' birthday. So, what a bizarre coincidence. Very bizarre. So that'll do it. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. My name's Dan, and I'll talk to you later. Have a great day, everybody.